Hi everyone, thank you for staying with me. I know it's been a little bit since I've posted another video, but I'm back and I'm here to bring you the world-known Buc-ee's. They are known for their wide variety of snacks available for your travels. They have sandwiches, tacos, kolaches, popcorn, candies, all sorts of different things. But believe it or not, they are known, and their biggest marketing point is that they have the cleanest restrooms ever. Yeah, they want you to come in, use their restrooms, because they know for a fact that you won't be able to walk away without buying anything from their delicious store. As you can tell, this store is massive. They have lots of options for your coffee over there. They have creamers, they have flavors, lots of milk alternatives. This is the area where they prepare all the sandwiches, briskets, sausage and stick, turkey sandwiches, pulled pork, all the delicious stuff going on over there. Yummy. Definitely makes me want to pay them a good visit. This is where some of the beef jerky action happens, and they have some sausage too over there. Lots of different flavors to pick from. And this is where the tacos are made and delivered. Lots of dessert options. You see all the kolaches over there. And here's where you can find all the prepackaged beef jerky with all the many different flavors they offered. They have some garlic, spicy, peppered, teriyaki, you name it. They have everything. It's delicious. I've had it many times. I can't leave that place without bringing like 3 bags of that thing. Another thing that Buc-ee's is known for is their enormous amount of merchandise. They have anything you can think of: swimsuits, t-shirts, ball caps, anything. And they sell a whole bunch of other really cool things that they are very hard to pass on. And that's why you enter that place hoping you're just gonna go to the restroom real quick and get on your way. But no, you leave that place with $70 worth of things, which is not a bad thing because they're cool things. But yeah. This is the area where you can find all their popcorn flavors, which are delicious. Different presentations, but very, very nice. And these are the world famous beaver nuggets they're known for. They have different flavors too, but man, they are delicious and they're pretty famous for that. I'm going to show you guys just to have an idea how big this thing is. Look at all those fuel stations. That's just one side of the building. Then you have the other side of the building. It's insane how big this thing is. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this walk. I know it's been a little while since I posted something, but I'm back and I'm gonna try to bring you some new content and different things to present to you. And well, have a good day. Thank you for walking.